Well, a team at Oceanside has created the fastest electric car in the world.
KUSI auto expert Dave Stahl is out on our patio with more on what is a record-breaking feat. Dave, good morning.
Hey, Dave.
Good morning. Well, hey, if you're going to stick electric power down my throat, it's got to be fast. And I got my buddy here from Revolt. You are?
Eddie Borisevich.
And now you're the one that put this package together?
Pretty much, yeah.
And this is the engineer?
Hey, Trent Wansley.
All right.
Yep.
So you're all in. How long have you been in electrics? Have you always been something you like?
About 7 or 8 years, ever since I got out of school. Yeah.
All right, all right.
Yeah.
So tell us about the car.
Well, the car initially was built in 1958, went to paper in 1957. It's been running on Bonneville for a very, very long time. It has a lot of different power plants in it. They came to us last year and they wanted to go electric on it.
And you said, oh, sure, why not?
Yeah, why not? So we got it back in May and we only had, barely 4 months to put it together.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sounds like a reality show.
It was nuts. It was.
So everybody knows electric, batteries are super heavy, they're big, they got to be on the floor. Was that a challenge making this an electric vehicle?
Well, absolutely. Trent and I, when we first started, we were measuring out the car at Rick Vesco's house. And then the whole way home from Utah, we're trying to figure out how we're going to stuff a couple Tesla motors in this and all the batteries that we need, because we weren't able to chop up the body or change the configuration of the car.
Or chop up the batteries.
Nothing. And it was very, very, very tough.
Right. And then, oh, that's right, we have a driver we have to find out how to get in there.
Exactly. Well, we couldn't touch that compartment and had to keep all that the same. We basically drew a line down the middle of it where he was going to work on the batteries and I was going to work on the motors, and we weren't supposed to cross that line. He wasn't supposed to cross his, I wasn't supposed to cross mine.
Wow.
So it was pretty tough.
Mason-Dixon line of engineering right there.
Right. Well, there's a video out on YouTube, I think, that actually shows the run.
Yeah.
And I think what really impressed me about it was the smoothness and the lack of movement the driver made. I mean, he didn't move that wheel more than an eighth of an inch left or right.
And Eric Ritter is a pro driver. That guy's been over 400 miles an hour
Yeah.
and driven a ton of different things in the salt. And he said it just kept pulling. With the electric power, there's no shifting. So you're just accelerating the entire time all the way through the end of mile 5.
He was even excited at the end. He kind of goes, woo!
Yeah, you don't get much reaction out of him. And he was
No.
down there doing jumping jacks
Yeah,
when
I
he got
know.
out of the car.
So when we do stuff like this, people say, well, why? Well, because whether you like it or not, this is the future. This is the propulsion we're going to be using.
Yeah, and it's different. Like, I always like a challenge.
Yeah,
I have a software company. I got kind of bored doing software for 20 years, and I needed another challenge. So this is perfect. It's right up my alley.
Right.
And talked to Trent about it and said, hey, do you want to do this thing? When we got it, and he says, sure, let's jump into it. And why the heck not?
But the insanity of it is, once you go to SEMA and you show it, you're going to put a flathead back in it.
Yeah, we are.
Which is what it came with originally.
Correct, which is really cool because they could do a little tribute to their father and what this car originally had in it.
Yeah,
but,
if you know anything about land speed, the Vesco name is synonymous with it.
Yeah.
So is there a website people could go to find out more about it and Revolt?
Yeah, you go to www.revoltsystems.com. You could also go to teamvesco.com as well.
Okay, plus you got a stupid fast Mustang in
We
the
do,
works.
and we're on Instagram too, at Revolt Systems.
Okay, yeah, because I'm going to have that Mustang come down to KUSI.
It's a real fun car.
I got to look at that. All right, well, we still have a full minute, so let me ask you this. So you're using Tesla batteries, right?
Well, so initially we did use Tesla batteries, and we found that they weren't quite providing the power that we needed.
Okay.
So we came back after Speed Week and redesigned the entire battery pack with a different battery, and then went back out for World of Speed, which was just the beginning of October. And that's where we set and beat the world's existing land speed record.
Now to do that, it's not one way. You got to go down, then you got to turn around and go back, right?
Right, you got to back up the run. So what we really did, the fastest we went was about 358, and then we ran a 350. So they averaged those two out. So now the new national record would be about 353.5 miles per hour.
So now what are you going to do if somebody comes out and beats that?
Go faster.
Yeah.
Go faster.
That means you just,
it's
because
called
that's what land speed
It's
people
called
do.
competition.
Yeah.
We want to go out and beat our own record next year.
Yeah, but if you're going to have to take the flathead back out again.
That's fine. That's what they want to do.
That's what
They
you want.
really like this motor.
Have you ever wanted to just do one of your own, one off, outside of using an older?
I've been approached already by a couple people.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens.
Because I'm sure you have a design idea that's probably different than the Vesco.
We could streamline it a little bit more, I think.
Geez, I don't know, 1950s. I think that's pretty streamlined.
Air doesn't change, though. These guys
Boy.
engineered some pretty cool stuff back then.
Yeah, with no wind tunnel.
No.
Yeah, other than what, cotton and sticking cotton on it and running down the track.
Pen and paper.
Pen and paper.
Yeah, these
Guys,
guys are amazing.
Can't thank you enough for coming in with the car.
Thank you.
Again, I'm sure you're going to you're going to be all over the place. Everybody's going to be able to see it. Going to try to get it down at the Auto Museum as well.
Yeah, you go faster.
There you go.
Can we thank some of our guys that helped us out?
Sure, hit
Yeah,
it.
so we got to thank SendCutSend.com, Metalcraft Products up in Escondido. Those guys helped us out a lot.
Yeah.
Greg Peak helped
Okay.
us with a bunch of engineering on this car too.
And friends and family.
And friends and family,
All right.
everyone around this car. I mean, it's a whole team to get this thing going.
It's
so,
a family. All right,
yeah.
guys.
And
Thanks a
no one got
million.
paid. No one got paid.
No,
Everyone
no.
just
Hey,
volunteered.
I know that. I know that feeling.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Back to you. And upcoming, Mopar is going to be in the house. Cops and Rodders.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, Dave,
Yeah.
listen, this is just so amazing. One quick question, if you can ask them. So if you have a car that you want, or a vehicle that you want converted, these guys can do it for the right price?
Liz,
Get on it.
Liz wants to know if she brought you a car, could you convert it to electric?
We could. That's more of your department.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because that's a challenge too.
Moonbuggyengineering.com. Check it out. See
Oh.
all the I've done everything under the sun now. So,
Moon
Wow.
buggy.
Isn't that cool?
engineering.com. Yep.
What are you going to convert, Liz?
No, I don't know, but I just think it's so cool. Like, you know, will you convert my car into an electric vehicle?
Take the V8 out and put in
Yeah,
a battery.
Liz, what do you drive?
I drive a little Audi.
She wants her Audi converted.
No, I don't. I
You know
didn't
how many-
say.
That's a pretty common one, actually.
Hear
Is
that? It's common.
Wow.
And guess what? No more gasoline.
I know. I'm already thinking like that. Moon Buggy
much better
Engineering,
value.
local company, local company in
Yeah,
Oceanside.
All right. Well, they're in Oceanside,
Yeah.
close to your house.
Yeah.
Awesome.
local at least.
All right.
Thank
kiddo.
you, Dave.
All right,
Thanks,
my
guys.
pleasure.
Very
Thanks.
cool.
Is that not awesome? We got